In today's video, you will learn how to clean and deodorize your microwave with vinegar and lemon. Do you frequently use your microwave at home? If you do, then you know how important it is to keep it always clean. It is common to see some splatters of food and grease inside the microwave after heating a dish. The remains of food favor the proliferation of bacteria and also damage your appliance. It is important to keep your microwave clean to prevent your food from being contaminated by residues. But what is the right way of cleaning your microwave? We've got your back. Fill a small glass bowl with water and a tablespoon of white vinegar. Microwave the vinegar water for 5 minutes on high. Once your microwave beeps, let the mixture sit inside for 3 more minutes. After that period, you will notice that all the dirt inside has softened. Now all you need to do is to rub a paper towel or a clean cloth to remove all the dirt. Vinegar has a high concentration of acetic acid, which acts as a degreaser and disinfectant and also lends a shine to your appliance. You can clean the turntable and its support in the sink with a sponge and some dish soap, but wait until they are cold before washing them to avoid cracking the glass with thermal shock. Thoroughly dry all the parts before putting them back inside the microwave. To clean the external part of your microwave, use a soft towel dampened with some water and a few drops of dish soap. Also, whenever you clean your microwave, remember to remove it from the outlet to avoid electric shocks. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. To remove the smell of food from your microwave, make a juice with a lemon and 17 ounces of water. The acidic substances of lemon are antibacterial and can remove many microorganisms and disinfect everything. You can also add the peels of citrus fruits and some cloves and cinnamon sticks to the water. Combine the lemon juice and water in a glass bowl and microwave it for 2 minutes on high. After that, leave the bowl inside the microwave for a few minutes while the lemon juice gets rid of the smell of other foods. Then remove the bowl and dry the microwave with a soft towel. Your microwave is ready to be used again. Now you know how to keep your microwave always clean and deodorized. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.